Hello friends, welcome to whatever day today is. So I wanted to crack out this dragon mold again. It's been a while. The last time I used it with UV resin, and now I want to try it with the 2-part resin. And I was asking my housemate what colors she thinks I should do for the dragons, and she picked out the colors for the turtle, which was either Tuesday's video or is Thursday's video. And she said, how about a red and an orange, you know, for a fiery dragon. So, for this one, I'm actually not going to dust the mold. I'm actually going to mix up these colors in the resin and pour away and see how it goes. I'm super nervous about this with the 2-part resin simply because of how shallow these wings are. And also right down here in the head of the mold, you can kind of see them, are the little horns of the dragon. So I'm super worried that there will be a lot of bubbles trapped inside of there. But we're going to give it a try and see how it does. With the UV resin, it was really easy, right, to get the bubbles out and have intact horns because, you know, it wasn't curing as I'm trying to do this. So, it'll be fun to try anyway. So, yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and mix up some resin and get to pouring. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Who could have predicted it would be more of these little skulls? But I also have a second item that I'll be unmolding as well. So, very fiery looking skulls. Very nice. And also a coaster. That did not turn out exactly as I had planned. I kind of drew through the resin. Just trying to make like flames. And before it was fully cured, I set it off to the side on top of some other molds. So it's a little wibbly wobbly. But that's fine. That's okay. We'll fix it somehow. I don't know, maybe some heat. But yeah, that's today's Firey bonus unmolding. Alright. I'm most nervous about the head. Specifically, I can already tell there are bubbles in those little things. But let's go ahead and demold the body. Ew, that's really cool looking. I think I'm going to leave the head to last. Let the suspense build. Yeah, okay. And then the little tail. Ooh, cool. Let's do the wings. Wow, you know what? I think the wings are probably my favorite. Look at those. Wow. That is really cool looking. Alright. Okay. It's not bad. You can definitely tell that there were bubbles there, but if you didn't know that those were supposed to be taller and pointier, I think you would look at that and be like, wow, that's really cool looking. So, the next thing to do is to put this together. And in order to do that, I can't use UV resin for this because the light wouldn't go through the, solid pieces. So I think I'm going to use hot glue for this one. I could use UV resin for these. That would be kind of cool. I also wanna look at like maybe where the wings are supposed to go. So I'm gonna pull up my Amazon and look at the final pictures to see, because last time I think that I put the wings up closer to the head, like right here, but I don't know if that's where they're supposed to go. I'm totally off screen, my apologies. Let's move it back onto screen. There we go. Yeah, so last time I had them kind of close to the head, but I want to see if they should be like down here on this section or something. So yeah, let's go ahead. I've got my hot glue heating up, and let's see, I've got my UV resin ready to go and my light. And then I'm going to fast forward through putting this together, and then you guys will see the glamour shot. So I'm going to end my voice over work here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fire-tastic day. That was lame. I apologize. I apologize. My bad.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here